Hello children, this is your science for today, Friday. Today is Friday, 7th February 2020. And tomorrow will be Saturday, 8th February 2020. And yesterday was Thursday, 6th February 2020. Now, are you ready to start your science? Yes, you are. Now, repeat after me. I will be able to explain what electricity is and how it works. So, today we are going to learn about electricity. Our new unit is about electricity, so this is going to be your introduction for electricity. So, what is an electricity? Electricity is an energy. Energy is power. So imagine the world without electricity. See how dark it gets? And look at all these buildings. When the lights goes off. When light goes off, it gets dark. When it's dark, you cannot see anything. Now, electricity, the power, the energy, helps us to have a better life. So, let's look into your vocabulary words. Batteries. You can call them batteries or you can call them cell. Look at all these different types of batteries that you can use. Batteries are things that holds energy. So this little thing holds energy and power. Batteries. Switch. Switch. Switch is changes that makes the light go on and off. So you turn the switch on and off, then the light will go on and off. Switch, switch. Wires, wires. Wires are these. Electricity travels through this wire. They go back and forth through the wires. Next one, bulb. Bulb. See this glass thing? This holds the light. Glass that holds the light, you call that light bulb. Bulb. Next one, electricity. See this plug? You plug this in and then light will come on. Electricity is an energy, power that goes through the wires. So let's go over one more time. Cell or battery. Some people call this the cell. Some people call it battery. Miss Carolyn calls it the battery. And bulb, the glass that holds the light. And electricity, the current that flows through the light. Not light, wires. Switch, you turn on and off. And wires. Okay, now this is what you need to do. You need to get out your notebook or paper and pencil and write the date and key vocabulary on the top and write your vocabulary words. Cell, batteries, it goes things that hold energy. Switch, changes lights on and off. Wires, how electricity travels. Bulb, glass that holds light. Electricity, energy and power. Now you will need to write this down on your notebook. Okay, now let's move on to Science Learners book pages 49 to 50. Now, if you don't have your book, it is okay. I have it right here for you to read along with me. Unit 5, electricity. Electricity around us. Words to learn. Electricity, we already learned that, is energy. Mains electricity, ooh, wonder what that is. Cell or battery. Those are the same thing. A little thing that holds all the energy. Now let's read about electricity. Ready? Electricity is all around us. We can use it to make light or sound. We can use it to heat things up or cool things down. We can use it to make things move. Look at the picture. Which things use electricity? Now, electricity make things move. Like this car. You put a battery in here and this car will move. And this fan, you can plug it in and then the fan will move. And this lamp, you plug this in and the light will come on. How about refrigerator? It makes things cool. And the remote control, you put batteries in and you can change the channels on your TV. And this kettle, you can plug it in and you can heat the water to hot boiling temperature. And you can plug the radio in and it makes a sound. And also you plug this oven in and it can heat up your food. Now electricity. If you don't have this, your life will be very, very, very uncomfortable. Okay, let's move on. Things that you plug in use mains electricity. Ooh. Mains electricity is very powerful. It is made in power stations like this one. Can you see the wires? See this wire right here? This big power station will send out all the electricity all over Vietnam through these little wires right here. Now, a cell can store electricity. A cell is often called a battery. Cells are used for things that people carry like torches or mobile phones. So, torches are flashlights and they use battery. Batteries come in different shapes and different sizes. Look at this, all these different kinds of batteries. Now, activity 5.1. Electricity around us. Look around your school. But since you are not at school, look around your house. Which things use electricity? Draw some things that use cells and some things that use mains electricity. So what you need to do is go to your workbook page 25, and if you don't have it, it is okay. Just do it on a paper. In this exercise, you will research electricity. Use books to find out about 6 things that uses electricity. So draw 6 things that uses electricity. Okay? 6 things that use electricity. So you can draw a refrigerator, or you can draw a TV, and think about 4 more things and draw it and bring it to school. Next thing is, what is electricity? Mains electricity. Remember reading about that? Anything you plug in that uses a wire, you call it mains electricity. And remember, batteries is something that holds energy. So let's find out what holds energy and what you have to plug in. Yes, kettle, you need to plug it in. It warms up water. Remote control, you put battery in. Batteries will help the remote control to change the channels. Sometimes the computers, you can plug it in or you can just use batteries. Also, the cell phone or mobile phone, you can use batteries or you can plug them in. And the car, you use batteries to make it move. The toy cars, not the real car. Now the lamp, you have to plug it in. You plug it in to the mains electricity and the light will come up. So walk around your house. This will be a little different from your workbook page. You need to get a paper and write things that need a plug and draw the line. Things that you need batteries, and what you need to do is either draw or write. Tell me what uses plugs. Tell me what uses batteries. Maybe find as many as you can. Okay? Go through all your toys and see which one you need batteries or which one you need plugs. Here is your hint. Mains electricity, plug, remember? You plug in the kettle, lamp, phone, computer. Now when you use batteries, you can use remote control or toy car, computer, cell phone. Now remember these. We will go over it again at school. Now when you get back, we are going to make something like this using battery, bulb, and bulb holder. Where's the picture? Oh, switch. Oh, here you go. Bulb holder and switch, wires. We are going to use all this component to make something like this. Are you excited? This will be so cool. Now, I am going to also give you this video link on YouTube for you to watch. Power of circuits. You should watch this because this is really fun. And what is electricity? You can go over electricity one more time. And Schoolhouse Rock's electricity song. That is something you can watch or you don't have to watch, but it will be fun to learn a song about electricity. Okay? Now that is it for your science, and I hope you have a good day and good weekend. And I will put up another video on Monday for English. And sorry there's no school next week. Miss you all, and I will see you next week. All right. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.